Hey guys, G.
And Wells, hey, what's going on, guys?
Hey, we're gonna do Unit 13 on factoring. We're gonna flip the classroom here, so we're gonna have you guys taking notes outside of class, and then in class we're gonna be doing some practice with the information that you have learned before you come to see us. So, starting with Unit 13 on factoring, there's one objective for today, and it is on multiplying polynomials. Now, poly means more than one. If I can fit it on here, I'm going to write over our faces.
That's
awesome.
fine.
Good
Looks
start.
good.
All right, so we're going to multiply polynomials. Poly means more than one. So we're talking more than one term here. So in number one, we're going to take this number 2 here, and we're going to distribute it through the parentheses. This is nothing new. We did this back in Unit 5 months ago. The only difference here today is we're going to be doing it with multiple terms and different exponents. So I'm going to multiply 2 by my x, and that gives me 2x. And then I'm multiplying 2 times this positive 12 here, and that gives me a positive 24.
All right, guys, to make this simple, we're only going to do the odd problems, and then we're going to require you guys to do the even problems in class the following day. All right, so 2 is going to be on your own. If you want to get ahead, you can do it now, and you know the concept. We're going to take that 3 and distribute it. All right, but in terms of practice problems, I'm going to do number 3 for you. So let me just scroll it down here a little bit. Oh, that doesn't go with it. Oh, because you wrote in the video box.
I did.
Gee. That's all right. That's all right. All right, so same as usual. It's from Unit 5. I'm going to take my 4, and I'm going to distribute it to the 2x. 4 times 2 is 8. Bring down my x. And then 4 times a positive 3 is plus 12. Nothing new. Nothing new.
All right, moving on to number 5, because the evens are for us tomorrow in class. We will do 2x times x. Now we have a 2 times an invisible 1 sitting out here in front of that x there. So that's just 2. And I blew it up. That's all right. It's a 2. And then I've got x times x, which we've used a lot in the past. X times x is x squared.
What do we do with exponents when we multiply? We add them.
Yep.
So it's 1 plus 1, essentially, and that's why we got the x squared.
Yep. All right. And then I have a 2x times my minus 3. Positive times a negative is a minus. 2 times 3 is 6. But don't forget about the x that was sitting out here. It's a 2x times 3. 2 times 3 is 6, and then bring down your x. So 2x squared minus 6x.
All right, guys, one more practice problem for good luck. Okay, let me get my pen cursor here. So an x times an x. All right, in other words, x to the first times x to the first. We're multiplying. What do we do with exponents? We add them, so that's why it's x squared. And then x times 3. Well, what's positive x times positive 3? Positive 3x.